Okay, I am making a lemon blueberry cake, crockpot cake. That's a big important thing. Got my lemon cake here. I'm making my cake according to the directions. All right, so I've got my crock pot. I am greasing my crock pot. And I'm taking my pie filling, just regular blueberry pie filling. So technically this is what, 1, 2, 4 ingredients. So this is a 4 ingredient cake. Spread that all over. Oh, I love blueberry. Then I'm going to pour my cake mix. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to turn this on and let it cook on low. Let's see, right here. Low, high. Do I do high or low? I'll do low. I'll do high. Recipe is in the description below. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off. Here it is all done. I did put a towel on top with the lid to get some of the condensation. Put a knife in the center. It's all done. Oh my goodness. That looks so delicious. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh, yum. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks so delicious. Oh my goodness. Yum. Some whipped cream on top. Here, I'll use my small spoon to taste test. There. Oh, that is really, really good.